Hello, everyone. You would never imagine that adding 3 eggs into shredded potatoes could make something so delicious. It doesn't require frying or deep frying, and many people have never seen or tasted it before. It's nutritious, tasty, and suitable for all ages. After peeling the potatoes, slice one side first so it lies flat and won't slip while cutting. Then slice the potatoes as thinly as possible and cut them into fine shreds. If your knife skills aren't great, you can use a grater instead. Place the shredded potatoes into a large bowl and crack 3 eggs directly into them. Remember not to rinse the potato shreds with water. We need the natural starch to help the mixture bind. Mix well with chopsticks so every piece is coated with egg. Season with a little salt and 1 spoon of chicken bouillon, mixing until everything dissolves. Set aside for later. Next, cut half of a green and red pepper into thin strips and then into small cubes, and set them aside. Prepare 2 tomatoes by cutting a cross on the top and blanching them in hot water to loosen the skin. Peel them easily once softened, cut them in half, remove the stems, then dice them into small pieces. Put the tomatoes on a plate. Chop a handful of green onions, separating the white and green parts. Mince a few cloves of garlic into fine pieces. Put each ingredient in separate bowls. Prepare a sauce by mixing 2 spoons of light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, chicken bouillon, 1 spoon of sugar, and half a bowl of water until fully dissolved. Heat a pan with some oil, add the potato and egg mixture while the oil is still cold, and shape it into a large round pancake. Cook on low heat until the bottom sets, then flip it using a plate and cook the other side until golden and crispy. This creates a pancake that's crispy outside and tender inside. Remove and set aside. In another pan, heat a little oil and stir-fry the chopped green onion whites and minced garlic on high heat until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and stir-fry until their juices come out, enhancing the flavor. Pour in the prepared sauce, mix well, then place the potato pancake into the pan, making sure it absorbs the sauce. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Remove the lid, sprinkle the diced green and red peppers, and cook for another minute. When the sauce has reduced, increase the heat to thicken it slightly, then turn off the stove. Transfer the finished dish to a plate, garnish with chopped green onions, and enjoy. This flavorful shredded potato and egg pancake is rich in nutrition, absorbs all the savory tomato juices, and is especially suitable for both children and the elderly. If you like this recipe, save it and try it out. See you next time.